Hey everybody, David aka RVJedeye, and we're going to do something very decadent on the road, something I don't normally do, but something I feel, yeah, it's about time. It is a red velvet cake waffle with fruit, whipped cream, and a caramel drizzle. Yeah, let's do this.
So you want to mix flour, Hershey's chocolate, baking powder, cinnamon, and a pinch of salt, along with some white sugar and some brown sugar, and then mix it all up. Time now to get the wet ingredients ready. You have 1 egg, you have 2 tablespoons of melted butter. You want to add in some vanilla extract to that, and then you want to add in a half a cup of buttermilk. Mix it all up and get it ready to add into the dry ingredients. I like to finish up my batter by adding a little bit of whole milk in, and then a couple of drops of red food coloring to give it that beautiful color inside of your batter. Time now to get your fruit ready. You want to cut about 3 to 4 strawberries, or really big strawberries. Place them in a bowl. You're going to use those to create a sauce. Then you want to cut some fresh fruit that you're going to put on top of the waffle once it's all said and done. You want to take some butter, put it in a pan, and then add your strawberries. Follow that with some brown sugar, some white sugar, a little vanilla, a little cinnamon, and some water. You're going to cook that all down and then take it off the stove and just let it set. Once your waffle iron is hot, you want to take your batter and pour it in, and then you just cook it like a regular waffle until the light goes off and says it's ready. Then you pull the waffle out. Look at that. Looks delicious. It's time to top it all off. You add your strawberry mixture back on top, your fresh strawberries and banana, top it with some whipped cream and some caramel drizzle.
And here is your decadence, the red velvet waffle with fruit, strawberries, and bananas. Let's bite into this. Has some whipped cream. This is an amazing dessert. I suppose you could have it for breakfast, but this is great. I love it. I'll put a link on how you do this. You can do this at home or on the road in your RV. Obviously, you know my motto, no need to eat poorly when you're on the road. Go ahead, chef it up. Try this dessert. Let me know how it turns out. I can already see I'm gonna need seconds and thirds on this one. Hey, follow me everywhere on social media at RVJedeye. Of course, you can follow my blog at RVJedeye.com. Get out there, chef it up, have fun, do something interesting like this next time. Go out and have a great day.